In this video, how to disable NVIDIA Overlay in NVIDIA App. NVIDIA Overlay is a mini toolbar that appears when you are gaming. First, search for and open NVIDIA App. Go to the app settings and turn off the NVIDIA Overlay feature. The change will be saved automatically. As you can see, the mini toolbar is now gone. Similarly, if you're using the NVIDIA GeForce experience, you need to log in with an NVIDIA account. Let's create a new one if you don't have an account. Click the settings icon in the top right corner. You need to disable the in-game overlay feature in the app settings. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.